On my nails, I have 2 coats of this beautiful indie polish from Contrary Polish called Banshee. And I want to go ahead and use some of these old plates from Pueen. Let's see. Let's do this one. Let's go ahead and pick this design, and then maybe I'll add a little bit of Chicago to this. This is also another indie polish. I got this from PolishCon when they were here in Chicago a year ago or the year before, I don't remember. It's actually called Chicago. That's cute. Very, very pretty pink color. So let's go ahead and get this started. I will be stamping the with a black stamping polish from Bundle Monster. It gets a little bit darker. That's 3 coats right there. Everything else is 2 coats. Here's plate Pueen 61. Let me do that over again. You see that little lining right there? I don't like that. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more stamping polish to this. Much better. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, grab this pink and paint the inside of the flowers, and then we will be transferring over to one of the fingers right here.